How to post anonymously in a Facebook group. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can post anonymously on a Facebook group, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to post anonymously on a Facebook group, all you have to do is simply first of all open the Facebook application. Now it also really depends upon whether or not the Facebook groups or anonymous post is available, because if you don't see the options to post anonymously, it could be because anonymous posts aren't available to you, or maybe not available in the group, or the group admins do not allow it. So you can post anonymously in a group only if the group admins allow anonymous posts, and anonymous posts are available to you and your group, because if the admins have not allowed it on the group, then you will not be able to do it. So to give you an example, you can just go ahead and go to any group page over here. When you want to type in something and then write something and post anonymously, you would generally need to just type in something and create a public post. But if the owner or the admin of this group has allowed an anonymous post, then you can just tap the post anonymous button instead of this, in order to go ahead and then post this post without letting anybody know that you have posted it. So this is called anonymous post on Facebook. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.